Hey guys, my name is Elena Finney and I'm the instructor for Farm Business Management. This class is a class that is all online, so I wanted to pop on here and introduce myself so you could see who I was and show you the Moodle class and talk to you about some dates that you will see on your syllabus that ask you to come on campus. Okay, so we'll get to all of that, so make sure you stay tuned. First part of this is what Moodle looks like. It looks a little different on my screen than it does on your screen because I am the instructor. So Moodle looks a little bit different, but the gist of the class is the same. Okay, so you log on and this is the first thing you see. Please know that I'm always here to help you. You can email me, you can call my office phone, you can Gmail me, Google Mail me, however you need to get in touch with me if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Or if you're near Albemarle, stop by campus, find my office. Simple to find in the Patterson building and come say hello and I can help you there. Okay. So then you keep scrolling and it will say week 1, which is what we are in. It will give you the dates and things to do. So obviously the first thing hopefully you're doing is watching this welcome video. Okay. The second thing you need to do is complete the census activity, which is here. If you've ever taken a course at Stanley Community College, you know how this works. So make sure you click here, knock that out of the way. Okay. The next thing you need to do is review your syllabus, which is here. Once you click on it, it's going to come down on the bottom. It's going to pop up as a download. Make sure you download and review that. Okay, you scroll to the last 2 pages of the syllabus, you will see some dates that says come to campus or required dates. Okay, we do offer an on campus time for lab. All right. I will be in the classroom every day that it says for that lab. You do not have to come if you are good, caught up on work. But if you want to come in, do your work that day or whatever, please feel free to come. But if not, there are a couple days that I ask you to come because we are doing a fun activity. We have a guest speaker coming on, or I need you in class to hand you out some information that you need. Okay. If you are near the Albemarle campus, then I hope that you can make it. If you're in Locust, I hope you can make it here. Now, if you are from the mountains or the eastern part of the state, or you are like hours away from me, please shoot me an email and we'll work through the days that I've asked you to be on campus. But the rest of you, I will be in that classroom that it says every day for that hour, working on stuff. If you come in and you're like, I'm so confused, I will take the time out of my day to explain that to you, okay? After you look at your syllabus completely, there is a syllabus quiz right here that I need you to knock out. I think it's 10 questions. The only catch is you have 1 attempt. So if you attempt it before you even look at my syllabus, you're probably not going to do too hot. Okay, so make sure you look at the syllabus and then take the quiz. Okay, and then hopefully this is going to work. We have some technical issues with Moodle today. So if I click on it and we get an error screen, just keep refreshing. It might happen to you. Oh, good, it's working. All right, so it tells you what you should have. All right, and you click on here. Here is mine. Okay, and you'll fill it out and it will post, and then you can reply to somebody else 30 minutes after you post yours. Okay, so make sure that you knock that out for me. Quick introduction about yourself, a picture, talk about yourself for just a little bit so we get to know you, okay, since we might not have very much face-to-face time, okay? So again, then week 2 showed up in gray on my side. That means you will scroll down, you only see week 1 in Moodle. Okay, my goal is to by Tuesday by 3 o'clock to have everything open and out to you of what you need to do this week. Sometimes it's earlier, like lunchtime. Sometimes it's 3 o'clock. Things happen on campus. I'm needed or whatever. I don't have time to make it all live. Patiently wait. Okay. Sometimes you might see something that says quiz posted, test posted, article posted on this date. That's because I want you to review the PowerPoints and the information that's already provided before you start this next step. It just helps with pacing and kind of control of the class. All right. So again, if you need any questions, help, comments, whatever, come see me. Okay. I'm here to help you always, and I am looking forward to a great class.